Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. Today this video is going to be talking all about site works and how to get it done right for your shed in preparation. So we're going to have the great man Roy is going to be going through how he's done the driveway, the site preparation and the soak holes and that. And I just find it makes such a difference for our builders and the overall quality if we've got a nice great metal driveway to come in on and the slab's done in a great working area. We'll be able to show the ability of pull and stand, to be able to park out the front, get materials and everything here, and really adds to the finished product. But now I'm going to hand it over to Roy, who's been in done a lot of great site works videos for us, and he'll be able to take you through the process. So enjoy and watch to the end to see a little bit of a tour of the video inside, or the shed inside.
Alright guys, here we are sort of on a new site, marking out. You would have seen just then all the pins going in, back in the digger, digging out to what the geotech report stated. So we strip off topsoil, take out to required depth. Then geotech will come in and test and let us know if we need to go deeper. There goes, the geotech's just been. It's asked us to go a little bit deeper across the whole site, just due to some soft soils that were found upon the excavation. So yeah, we just went down that a little bit more, take some photos, send it off to him, make sure he's happy. Engineer's all happy, he's given me the okay. Just started to throw the first layer of sand in, because we can't put it all in at once. We've got to come up in layers and roll it down and make sure we get the right compaction. If we don't compact it right, the foundation underneath generally slips away or softens up and you end up with cracks in your concrete. As you can see here, I'm using the bobcat with the sharp grade attachment. That just pushes all the sand out nice and level to the levels that I set it at. Makes it nice easy site to roll, keeps it nice and tidy. Just starting to do the final trim now on the pad, ready for concrete. Hey guys, Roy here from A1 Bobcats and Concrete. Just back here on site. Done our sand pad on Friday. Now I'm just up to doing the soak hole and all the tidy up. So there's our sand pad. Now we just got to do the soak hole for all the roof water. So come along, enjoy the ride. Our hole's dug for our soaker's trench. Engineer's been in, signed it off. Just time to put some cloth in it. Show you the results of putting the cloth in. Alright, there we go guys. All cloth ready for drainage products to go in. So we cloth the sides and the ends, but we do not need to cloth the bottom, because if we cloth the bottom it can cause problems down the line with your water soaking away. So today we're back on site at our Tamahiri site, where you saw me do the sand pad and soak hole. This morning we're going to do a metal apron and driveway. So I'll show you along the way. Well, there we are guys, our topsoil's all stripped back, as you can see in the background over there. I've already got my first load of 65 ready to start spreading out. What we do now is we spread it out in nice layers, roll it in, then as we come up we sort of shape it so then there's no water trapped or pooling, so then it all runs away and it doesn't all wash out the metal that we've put in. End of the day, we've got a finished driveway, or apron and driveway in. So been a good solid day. All we got left to go is the capping layer. We'll do that once the lovely Waikato Sheds build has been done, and we'll come in and do our capping layer.
Right, welcome back to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We're back today and we've got access to the inside of the building, so we're going to go and check that out. And it's actually got one of the coolest features that I think is on this build. So let's shoot inside and we can have a look at that. So we're going to go in through this city glass stacker, and it's a really nice door this. So that just both pushes right back, and you've got this huge big opening to bring all your gear in and just enjoy that indoor flow. Let's come inside and we can check out a few of these fantastic features. Cool, come on in and check it out. All beautiful New Zealand steel, and one of the best features that this shed comes with. Boom!
Hey guys, hey Mark.
Hey Jace, how's it going?
Good. I don't really come with this shed, but I was just in here checking it out. Looks phenomenal.
It is. What are some of your favourite features about this shed?
Bronick sold it, and Bronick sold it, it's always good. Shout out to the Bronick Pool and Stand builder. I'm just loving a nice big high clear span shed full of beautiful double glazing from City Glass, seeing all our mates do it. Strength by design, the knee braces, apex braces, adding it in, all that shiny New Zealand steel's always looking wonderful. But what I also like is this bathroom. You can see how well it's attached to a mullion there. You can even see if you come around this edge here, where the insulation goes in behind on the paper, so that the plywood can attach into it and the framing, so you can just see how it is. We've consented it to add into a bathroom in there, and head on side into the bathroom, and beautifully done. Tiles on the floor, frameless shower glass, room for the sink, everything in there, you know. That's going to be just a wonderful little man cave. And got this wonderful frames out the Waikato Expressway. What a view. Hand it over to you, Mark.
Yeah, so a few of the other things, Jason had just sort of alluded to it. These are clear span buildings, so you might hear that name round and wonder what it is. All of our sheds are clear span, so it has no leaks in the middle, and we can go up to 35 metres clear span. So that's just what that is. But yeah, as Jason pointed out, just fantastic. All New Zealand steel, strength by design, super strong, and yeah, as he says, this little bathroom's just so awesome, adding in the ability to be able to do whatever you want in your shed, have a party, work in the man cave, work on your cars, and have that bathroom to use. Awesome.